In this video, we will talk about how to fix there has been an error in Microsoft Store. Method 1. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Start icon. Select Run. Type WS Reset and press Enter. This clears the store cache and reopen Microsoft Store automatically. Then check if your problem solves. Method 2. Repair or reset. Click on Start icon. Open Settings. On the left, click on System. Scroll down and click on System Components. In Microsoft Store, click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Click on Repair first. Wait until it completes. Then click on Reset to fully refresh the app and check if your problem solves. Method 3. Restart Microsoft Store install service. Click in Search. Type Services and select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Microsoft Store install service. Right-click and select Restart. Method 4. Re-register Microsoft Store. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following command from the description and press Enter. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix there has been an error in Microsoft Store. See you in the next video.